Alright, boys and girls, welcome to Growing Guitar. IANN DIOR here with Edge of Tomorrow. Alright, so we're gonna make some melodies and string patterns and handle this cool song from IANN DIOR. So let's do that with the capo on the second. So with that, we're gonna play E minor, C, G, and A minor. Let's do the chords. So first E minor, that is open E, second A, second D, open G, open B, and open E. Next is C, so that is third on A, second on D, open G, first B, and open E. G coming up here, so that will be third on E, second on A, open D, open G, third B, third E, and A minor last. Open A, second D, second G, first B, and open E. Alright, so we're gonna look at the melody, and it is a little bit irregular. It goes differently sometimes, but I'm gonna give you a pattern that works, and that is a part of the song. So it sounds like this pretty much often, or most often. So it goes like this. If you want to learn that, it will be open E 2 times, and then third B. That is the E minor part. The C part will be, so that will be third on A, then third on B, open B, and second G. The G part will be only that, so that will be third on E in the bass, and third B. And the last A minor part will be, so that is open A, then open B, second G, and open G. So together, slowly, it goes like this. And so on. All right. You can combine this with a strumming, which I suggest here, and we're gonna do this in 2 parts. So we're gonna look at the first transition here from E minor to C. So part 1, or E minor, will be just down clap. That's it. Then you shift chord to C and play part 2, which will be down, down, clap, down. Then you apply the same principles for next 2 chords. G, part 1, down, clap, in the same way as E minor. And then A minor in the same way as C, part 2, down, down, clap, down. That's it. So together it goes. That's it, guys. So good luck with IANN DIOR's Edge of Tomorrow. See you next time. Play tuned.